Hi everyone, my name is Jenny Day. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. Today we're going to be doing a luxury wish list. First of all, I do want to say that I am not rich. I don't live off of my husband's checkbook. I don't live off of his credit cards, and I don't have a husband, by the way. I only have a boyfriend. We live really well, we eat really well, but he does not pay for any of my luxury items. So I just want to make that clear because I have seen some rumors of people saying that, you know, he probably bought me all of my luxury things, which he didn't. I definitely budget for my items, and I just feel so rewarded every time I'm able to purchase something from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. I'm not, you know, going on trips with my boyfriend and, you know, asking him to buy me everything from from the stores and stuff. It's not who I am, and I don't like beg for his wallet. So yeah, I just want to make that clear. I'm just a normal 25-year-old working day to day, and I'm comfortable enough to be able to save for luxury items. So yeah, if you guys want to watch this video, please continue watching, and if you are not interested in watching what I want for this year, then don't watch. I do have one thing that's not Louis Vuitton that is on my wish list, but that's about the only thing from any other brand. So they are the Gucci Pearl slides. I think that they're super cute, and I would definitely love to get a pair for my Mexico trip next year. So probably around October, November is probably when I will get those. So it's not high on my wish list, but it is something that I do want to get just because I want some pool slides, you know? So the first item on my wish list is the Keep It bracelet, and I really like this bracelet because I think it's just so simple, so elegant and cute. I do wish that it was rose gold instead of just gold, but I still like the gold detailing on it. There is also a bracelet with an alma, a little alma chain on it, which I love, and I think it's super cute. I would definitely like to get that one as well. The bracelets range from, I believe, $350 to $210 or $230, but I think they're super cute, really affordable for Louis Vuitton, which is why I also like the brand. I'm not rich or anything. I don't swipe my boyfriend's credit card like crazy. I don't have really rich parents. I work for everything that I have, so Louis Vuitton is definitely just a step into the luxury game, I feel like. But I really like the brand, and I like a lot of their pieces, which is obviously why this is a dedicated brand wish list. The next item that I do want is actually a key holder. I either want the 6-ring or the 4-ring. I'm leaning more towards the 4-ring just because it's a little bit more slim, and I feel like it can fit in more bags that I have. I really like the look of it. I feel like it's just super cute, and it looks like a little tube. I feel like the 6-ring is a little bit too big for my liking. I know that a lot of people like using it also as a wallet, but I won't be doing that just because I do like having a separate wallet aside from where my keys are placed. Personal experience from having my key clay, which I hate, honestly. The next item that I want is a card holder. I want the classic monogram card holder, and I really like this. It's only $205, I think. Super inexpensive for a card holder, and I just think it's really cute. I like the classic brown. I like that it's just monogram. It doesn't really hold a lot, I feel like, so I probably won't be able to hold cash if I do get this, which I don't know how excited I'll be, but I feel like sometimes when my boyfriend and I go out to eat, I just like to have my credit card with me, just because if we go to a store, then I just want to buy something for myself, or I'll need my ID with me. So that's when I would need a key holder. No, not a key holder. What am I saying? A card holder. That's the only time that I basically use a card holder, that I would feel like I would use a card holder, but that's only because I do want to get a wallet. And speaking of wallet, did that even make sense? I think it did. Speaking of wallet, the wallet that I want is the Victorine wallet. I know that a lot of people said that your cards can slip in it as it starts to have wear and tear, but honestly I feel like I would probably, I don't know, I only take my wallet out to pay for stuff. I'm not just holding it by itself. There's never a case where I only bring my wallet with me, so I feel like I wouldn't have a problem with my cards slipping out, and if that does happen, then I would definitely double stack cards. And it's just I don't know, I just really like that wallet, and I like that it's super compact. I'm thinking of the diamond being in the with the red and then the little studs on them. I really like the studs, and I feel like I would choose that one also because it does have a gold button, and the other ones have leather treated buttons. So I just feel like I wouldn't like the wear and tear of the leather button, so I definitely am leaning more towards the one with the studs, and I believe that one is $610, which is a little bit pricey because for $400 more, you can just get a Speedy. I don't know, I really like the look of them. I just really need a wallet, and I feel like I've been using my All Saints little pouch for a really long time, and I'm just like kind of tired of it. But I do want the Victorine wallet, and I don't know when I will be getting that. Hopefully soon. Okay, so that is all for my SLGs. Let's move on to bags. I'll move on to backpacks. I really want the Monsteria backpack. I've been looking at this on the pre-loved market, and I feel like they pretty much run for the same price. And if I were to get it on the pre-loved market, I would want to get it with all brand new vachetta, whatever the fuck you call it. I would want to get it with the brand new leather on it, and so adding that to the price, that will obviously spike up the price of the bag that I want. And I feel like getting it on the pre-loved market is just not realistic because they're still really expensive, and I don't know, I just haven't come across one that, you know, has the kind of leather that I feel like is adequate enough to like have it for a longer amount of time. I don't know if that even makes sense. I just don't want one that like looks too worn in or anything, and all the ones that I've seen look really dingy, really worn, really dark patina, and I don't like that. So yeah, I really am leaning towards that one. I do just like the new model though, so if I really can't find one that's in a really good condition, then I would definitely probably just get one on the pre-loved market and then just like swallow the price that it is to like replace the whole vachetta on it. But the new one actually does not come with the bottom part with the untreated leather, so it just comes like fully canvas, and then the only thing that's the vachetta is a strap, I believe, and what is it, and then also the buckle part of the bag. So I really like the new model as well. I do feel like it's a little bit small for a backpack, but I will probably go in stores and see if they have it and hopefully try it on, and that'll really help my decision. A backpack is definitely something that is like on the top of my wish list, and so I do feel like I will probably get that before the spring and summertime because that is when I want it. That's when I want to use it. And another backpack that was also on my list is the Palm Springs PM or MM. I'm open to getting either or. I really like the PM, but I feel like the straps look a little bit obnoxious on it because the bag is a little tiny. So I feel like the MM might be a little bit more reasonable for me for traveling and stuff, and for just wearing on like a day-to-day basis. I really like the MM look, and I just feel like it's such like a cute backpack. I don't know if they have that in the reverse mono, but I would be open to getting that color as well. The next item that is on my list is the Speedy 30 in Monogram, and this is just like a classic piece from Louis Vuitton, which is why I feel like I want it. This is definitely more of like an art piece for me. It's not something that I would probably use just because, I don't know, I feel like it's like super flashy and stuff, and I feel like it's a lot more maintenance than the Monogram Neverfull, so I definitely want to pick it up, but just to have it for that purpose. So yeah, I really just like want to collect the trifecta for the classic Speedies and in the 30. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at, and I know that probably sounds stupid to some people, but I just really love the look of it, and I love like looking at it for like decoration purposes. But yeah, the items with the vachetta on it, I don't think that it's something that I would probably use, especially since the strap, the handles on the classic Speedy bags are pretty thick. I don't know, I just don't see myself carrying like a Speedy 30 Monogram, you know, with any outfit that I have. So I just really like the look of it, which is why I want to keep it and get it as like a collector's item. The next thing that I want is the Montaigne BB, and the reason why I want this is because I think it's so cute, and this is definitely a monogram piece that I would definitely use, like, of course, you know. I think it's super cute, it's super tiny. I love that it fits the pochette, the toiletry, and then you can also fit other items on the other side. And I watched Hollyana Ray's video on it, and she was showing like what was in her bag and everything, and I just love the look of the BB. I think it's so cute, and I definitely see myself using that and wearing it, and I just think it's like so beautiful, and you don't have to touch the handles, which I love. I know it's stupid, but I love it. So yeah, I love the Montaigne BB. I just think it's so cute. I did go in stores and I saw it in the empreinte leather in the pink color. I don't know what it's called, but it was in a pink color, and I thought it was super adorable, but I didn't like that the straps, that the strap clasp was on the handles. I like it much better on like the sides of the bag. So that's also something to note with the Montaigne Monogram one, which I love it. I love it. I think it's so cute. I will probably ask for that for my birthday if I don't end up going to France, which I really want to go to France. I've been saving for it, so I will probably start planning for it soon. If you guys don't know, like, I really like traveling and stuff, and I just prefer to travel than buy like decor for the house or buy like little things here and there, like makeup and stuff, I have more than enough to last me like 2 or 3 years. And even though like some of them will probably expire, a lot of them I haven't opened though, so it will last me for quite some time. But I just feel like I have so much of everything already in my life that the next thing to save for is obviously a car. I want a new car, and then also like just traveling. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I definitely want to do it more this year. I do feel like I did like a sufficient amount last year. What did I do last year? I went to Nashville, or was that the year before? I think no, I went to Nashville last year. I went to Mexico and Amsterdam, New York. Yeah, I didn't go to a lot of places last year, but this year I definitely want to go to more places and just explore more. So anyway, my point was that I want to go to the Champagne region in France, and I definitely want to visit Paris as well. So I don't know, I really liked Europe when I went, so I thought it was really fun, and it's definitely something that I'm open to doing a lot more this year. So maybe we can go for like 2 weeks. But yeah, I really like the idea of getting like a birthday piece in France, just because like duh, it's France. So yeah, those are the bags that I would be interested in. This is more like a travel piece, the Keepall 45 in Damier Ebene. This is like, I love it. I just love it. I know that my Speedy B looks like a piece of luggage, and I love it. I love the look of the Damier Ebene and the Keepalls, and I love the classic ones as well, but I just feel like it's more functional to have like the strap. And I do tend to overstuff my duffel bags, so I definitely want the 45 just so I don't completely like stuff it to the brim, you know. I just feel like this is something that I can use to do like overnight trips or like weekly trips to my mom's house, or just to like a friend's house or something. I don't feel like this is something that I would probably take in the airport, although I probably would, but I just wouldn't stuff it as much. Does that make sense? But yeah, I really love this piece as a travel piece. I don't like the Keepall in the monogram, just because obviously the vachetta, the strap, the like untreated leather, it just like really scares me. So I would definitely be interested in getting it in the Damier Ebene or the Eclipse, which I love as well. Basically just in prints that are not prone to getting water spots on them. And I also really like the monogram with the black handles, which is the World Tour collection, I believe. If that is still available when I decide to get it and when I save up for it, then I definitely will be getting that one, because I like the black on the monogram. I think it's really nice, and I don't have anything like that. And then the last item that I have on my list are the front row sneakers. I never saw myself as like, you know, a sneaker, like a luxury item sneaker girl. I feel like, you know, a lot of people think that they'll have wear and tear really fast, and I really like, I understand that, but I feel like you can always get your shoes resold. And I don't know, I love the look of the monogram on the black. Like I said, I think it will definitely match the Speedy, the Keepall actually, if I do end up getting that print, which I love that combo. But yeah, I just love the shoes. I think they're super cute. I think they're really affordable for what luxury shoes are, and they're just like tennis shoes. You know, you can wear them with like a casual outfit. You can even wear like a dress with it, like a t-shirt dress. You can wear a long sleeve t-shirt dress. I have this ruffly dress that I really like that's long sleeve, and then it's kind of like ruffled in Bordeaux, and I really like wearing that with sneakers as well. I wore it a lot with my Converse, and yeah, I think the front row sneakers are just so cute. I love that it's a little bit shiny, and I love that the black is like patent leather, just because I feel like it just, not that it brings more attention to the shoe, but I just feel like it's a little bit more detail than what you would normally find. Like the Gucci Ace sneakers, I think those are really cute as well, but like red and green, like I'm gonna be looking like I'm fucking festive, and you know, it's Christmas time every time I wear them. That's what I would think. So I don't like those shoes. I like the B on them. I think if they made it black, white and black, and then have the B on them, I think that would be super cute. But this is why I'm gravitating more towards the Louis Vuitton shoes than the Gucci ones. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. This was my wish list. Obviously I'm not gonna get everything on this list, but I do hope to get, let's check. I do hope to get the key holder, the Victorine wallet, the card holder. Maybe not the card holder actually, if I get the Victorine wallet. And then I do want the bracelet and a backpack. So 4 items that I want to cross off my list by the end of the year. And it's not a lot, but I hope I get at least those things, which I know I probably will, but you know, you never know. Like I could lose my job tomorrow, which I'm not, but like anything can happen. So I will definitely be budgeting for these videos, not spending as much money like on stupid stuff. Like makeup, skincare, stuff like that. I have so much skincare stuff that I have to use up. But like I said, I'm not really going on a no buy. I'm just budgeting for my items, and hopefully I can go on more trips this year and have a lot more fun. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what's on your wish list down below. If you guys made a video, let me know so I can go watch it. I love watching these videos. I'm not a luxury YouTuber by any means. Like I said, I'm not rich or anything. I don't have daddy's money, and I don't live off of my husband and make like, you know, only $2,000 from YouTube. Like, I don't have a husband, first of all, and you know, I make my own money and I spend what I can, budget what I can. So yeah, I just wanted to let that be known. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!